Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I have another makeup tutorial for you guys today, and it is on this makeup look that I have on today, and it is my go-to night out with the girls makeup look. So this is one of my favorite looks because it is so simple and easy to do, and it's really not time consuming at all. So if you are interested in how I have created this look, please carry on watching. So guys, what I've done is I've already done the base of my face, and I've also done my brows, and I've primed my lids. So the first thing that we're going to be using is a blusher actually, and it's by my favourite brand, which is Juvia's, and it's from the Saharan Blush Volume 1, which is this colour here, Toby. And I'm going to be putting that into the crease and then just kind of bringing that upward here, just past my eyebrow. So I'm just grabbing a small fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to be basically blending it out. So the next two colours I'm going to be using is from the Saharan Blush Volume 2. And the first one is this one, which is Tau, which is quite similar to Toby. And then we've got Leena, which is your pink. And then grabbing the same fluffy brush that I used, I'm just going to kind of go over the crease and then just bring it out a little bit more as well. So the first colour I'm grabbing is Tau. Grabbing another fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with Leena. Now I've got a flat brush like this, and I'm just going to grab some of my primer, eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to basically put it onto the lid and just kind of carve it out. I'm not going all the way to the end, I'm only kind of going halfway. Now I'm going to be putting on a liquid eyeshadow just where we primed the lid. So I'm going to be using one by Makeup Revolution, which is the Eye Glisten. So it's a foil and glitter liquid eyeshadow, which is this one. So I'm going to be using this colour. So the next colour I'm going to be using is actually a highlighter, and I'm going to be using that as an eyeshadow. And it is from Makeup Addictions Cosmetics, and the shade is Pink Champagne, which is this one. And I'm going to be putting that all over the lid. So grabbing the two colours, Leena and Tau, I'm going to just kind of go back over just at the ends to kind of blend the shimmer together. So now from the Saharan Blush Volume 2, I'm going to be using the colour Zoba, which is this one here, as a highlighter. And I'm going to be putting that in the inner corners and just underneath my brow. Just grabbing my eyeliner, which is by Bourjois. I'm just going to line my eyes. Now grabbing my Sephora Kajal in the shade Enchanting Beige, I'm just going to pop that into my waterline. And then now from the Saharan Blush Volume 2, I'm going to be using the two colours that we used earlier, which was Tao and Leena, and I'm just going to pop that on underneath my eye. So this eye is pretty much complete. All I've got left to do is just the mascara and the eyelashes. I'm going to now complete this eye and do the lashes and mascara off camera. So I will be right back in just a bit. So I have now completed both eyes and I've put on some mascara and some eyelashes. So next I'm going to be putting on some blusher, and the blusher I'm going to be using is by Nars and it's the Orgasm blush. Is this one. And now for highlighter, I'm going to be using the shade Sunkissed from the Makeup Addiction Cosmetics Holy Glow Volume 1 palette, which is this one here at the end. And then finally, to finish the look, I'm going to be doing my lips. So I'm going to be using the lip liner by MAC, which is Stripdown. And then I am using the colour Velvet Teddy by MAC. Here's this one. And then I'm going to be finishing it off with the Nars lip gloss from the Orgasm collection. So guys, this is the finished look for my go-to night out with the girls makeup tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope that you were able to learn something from this video. I will be popping in all the products that I've used in the description box below. If there is anything else that you would like to see, please do let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is at makeupbysedge with 2 underscores. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. See you later.